Timothy Twostroke, one of the most shocking Pixar Cars characters. Not in the way you think. Now, you might think he's done something bad, like committed a crime, but no, that's not right. And the reason why I'm saying this is, simply because his diecast was originally wrong. And this is evident by, the only time where he was incorrect was in the 2009, what was it then? The Collector's Guide, where he was, depicted as a red saloon, which, they're not entirely wrong, because, there was a red saloon with Lightning McQueen memorabilia, but not Timothy Twostroke. That's this guy right here. A red hatchback, I suppose, with Lightning McQueen memorabilia. So, that's very interesting, somewhat. Still, what to say, still, he appears in Cars 1 at the final race in California, and he's seen cheering Lightning McQueen on, as evident by his memorabilia. Let's have a closer look at him. Still, he got his mouth wide open, just like he does in the film. Very movie accurate. He got very, how do I say it? Got very, bulbous. Is that the correct word? Very wide, big headlights. Got a little mustache, or grill. Grills are meant to be mustached in the Cars universe, I think. So it looks quite raised up. For a raised race suspension for a little car. Kind of like a Fiat Panda Cross, in a way. I heard they're great little cars, they are. Looking at the back, what does the number plate say? B1324. The number plate says. Again, with fairly detailed headlights. I'm actually shocked at the amount of detail on them. Genuinely shocking, in my opinion. Let's look at the memorabilia. That's lightning bolt shaped, both of them. This kind of looks like an antenna, this bit. This doesn't. This a headpiece, And just overall, he's a decent character. Not a lot of backstory. Well, no backstory actually, but I like him. See you in the next video, and have a great day, folks.